she's done. The Prandtl wing is finished. Look at that beauty. She ran in at 320 grams. Little tip on the C of G. You want the C of G needs to be 80 millimeters back from the leading edge. Do not go back any further than that. In fact, I would suggest going in at 85 to start off with. Battery wise, I had one of these lovely 1000 milliamp hour 3.7 battery, which I've wired up and fits beautifully down in the front across the two holes in the ribs there beautifully. Jennings went in really nice. I didn't use the plastic covers because I'm doing mine in silver. All I used was I had some spare silver from doing some laminate flooring at my daughter's, and so all I did was I then just covered the servo holes over, so they've gone in alright. Now all we got to do is wait for a bit of weather.